Welcome back. Now in the project creation settings, you're also going to notice that you have download settings which are optional. And basically, one of the elements that you can choose is giving your download an optimization setting. That means then that the volume is going to be created so that your listener will hear it evenly. And you'll notice then that this may happen in the download settings process. This is important to note because it's quite possible that if you were able to get a consistent sound but not consistent volume from your professional voice, you could possibly use your professional voice and have it convert in the download process in terms of volume, which is something that actually happens. So in this case, for the sake of this video, we're going to normalize our volume. What you're also going to see is that 11 Labs can append the audio, and it can append it with metadata. And so if you click this drop down arrow, we can make sure that our file is going to be marked with our metadata. And when you do have an ISBN number from your published book, you're going to want to write that in. And for the sake of this video, we're not going to write in an ISBN number, but you typically would if you want to have your metadata appended to your file. Now, the last thing you're going to see is that you have pronunciation dictionaries available. And we're going to click on this area. Now, with certain models of audio, this feature will work. And what you also must understand is that if you choose to have a pronunciation dictionary, that's going to replace the entire dictionary for the 11 Labs project. So you will be basically replacing the pronunciations for the entire project. In most cases, unless you have a compelling reason to do so, or you have highly technical language, you may want to leave this part turned off. And the next portion is to upload our text. And we will go over that in the next video. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in the next video.